Yo, what's going on, guys? Fabian here with Lauren. We're over here in Nevada, Baker's, What? What? Oh shoot, dude, look at that. I don't know if you can see it. Wait, can you? Yeah, that's a bat. Oh shoot. Oh my, dude, that thing just passed by right by me, bro. I don't know if I got that on video, but I'm gonna check later. But dude, it's so freaking hot over here, bro. We just made our first stop. We're in Nevada now, in Baker's, Nevada. Huh?
Want a snack or something?
We got snacks in the car, bro.
Oh.
My aunt's right there. Tia, got the kids over here. Let me see what you got in your nose. Oh, ¿qué le pasó a su nariz? Wendy. Alright, I'll leave you alone, bro. Leave you alone. Yeah, guys, this is our first stop over here. And can't believe the gas price is like $4.30 over here. You wanna go grab snacks?
I was just going to
Wait, what time is it right now? Let me see. It's 12:26 right now. We're still a long way from our destination.
What?
What's up? What?
Do you want to go inside? It might be cooler.
It's hot. What?
It might be cooler.
Cooler?
Yeah.
Oh. But wait, let's grab something to like eat or something.
Yeah.
Drink. It was good, food.
He's like, no.
I was like, who is he? It's my cousin Vanessa, my sister Karen, shy camera girl, and then my girl. Gordo.
Say hi.
Say hi to the Coco fam.
I got it.
Gordo.
I was like,
Yo guys, so like our car is like, there we go. So like our car started spilling all the oil, so we're over here stuck in the middle of nowhere, and there's like literally noises out there in the desert. Huh. Like, I don't know what it is. Probably snakes or something. No, coyotes would like start making that. They start making that sound. These sound more like snakes.
I think we're in, well, I don't want to say it out loud because the kids are here, but Death Valley.
We're in Death Valley. Oh, actually, guys, I was mistaken earlier. We weren't in Nevada yet. We're still in California. We were in Baker's, California, back there at the gas station. But yeah, they're trying to figure it out, like the gas and stuff, or the oil, what to do with it. I don't know. They're over there. Oh shoot! I get scared. Dude, it's scary over there. You guys can't even see anything, bro. All you can hear is like some like staticky noises. I don't know what that is. If you guys know what that is, please let me know down in the comment section below what you think that is. It's some staticky noise out here in the desert. It's scary, bro. There's no power lines, nothing. What?
My phone has Wi-Fi everywhere.
Yeah. So hopefully we can get this fixed and be on the road soon. We'll see what happens. that looks scary. Alright. Dang. It's good as hell. Well, actually, we're in Death Valley.
Right.
That's Alright guys, well, we're looking at some thunder around here. Lightning, that's what it is. We see some lightning around here. Hopefully we can catch some on video. We'll see.
That scared me.
What?
The door.
Oh. I'm gonna just leave it like that. See if we can catch anything. Oh, there, I got it. Dude.
We will put that on YouTube.
Yeah.
I'm getting the oh!
It's like going in a rhythm. It's like it's over there, then over there. Oh, that one was great, dude. I got that one.
Please don't
Alright guys, we're back on the road now. We fixed whatever was wrong with it. So it's already 2:03. We're on the road now. Wendy woke up on the wrong side of the bed. Wendy. That food threw up. That food threw up. Nasty, bro. We're over here in Utah. Look at the view. Spectacular. Bro, so many crying babies out here. Hey, Wendy. What's up? Ooh, get that off me. Get that off me. The baby threw up like a lot. Bro, I'm so tired. We're almost to Colorado, so
Yeah, it's like 193 miles or something.
guys, we just stopped because our car is like something's messed up. I don't know. But we're gonna. It's probably loud because I'm just trying. There's like a lot of grass right here. I don't know if there's snakes. We're trying not to step on anything like that. But look at that, guys. This is Colorado. I don't think there's snakes here, but who knows? view's beautiful. It's like something you never see in California because it's all desert. Should I get a
The hazelnut smells pretty good.
medium?
I got
I'm gonna be driving next, so I have to get coffee. Hazelnut pasta?
Yeah, that's the one I got.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
You know, like that, because I'm gonna put some milk. Where's the milk?
The creamer's right here.
I want milk, not creamer.
Oh, right here.
I want leche. Wait,
French
what's
vanilla.
this?
It's French vanilla.
And what's that?
Half and half. You can. It's milk. It's the milk for it, the creamer.
Okay.
And then there's whipped cream if you want some. I'm actually gonna pour some out because it's kind of a lot.
I think I'm gonna dump a little bit. Just
We're not avid coffee drinkers, so we don't really know what we're doing. It's whatever tastes good to us.
Yeah, I don't like coffee that much. We don't drink coffee that much. Only when we're like going to like bar places and we're tired. Like right now, I'm tired as fuck. Sorry, she don't like me cussing. She gave me that face. Show them much.
Show them the face.
Why not?
Because.
I see the eyes though. I see the eyes. Here we go. Guys, I just hit her eyeglass with the camera. I'm sorry.
It was not my eyeglasses, it was my head.
It was your glasses. It hit your head. No?
How are you gonna tell me? I felt it.
Oh, okay. My bad. Dude, look at this weird machine where the whipped cream comes from. What the heck? Is it even good?
Yeah.
Let me try it. It's okay.
It's pretty good, huh? I like it.
Actually, I don't like it.
Never get the lid that's in the front because people touched it already. I always get the one that's in the back. I know this is for the stirring, but I like to drink it like a straw.
I've never got. I don't really get coffee that much.
You ready?
Yeah.
You hold this.
What's up?
It's so sleepy.
Wendy's knocked out. Alright guys, we're over here in Ohio now. I think that'll be it for this video. We're almost to our destination, so I'll see you guys in a few hours when we almost get there. I'll keep recording on the way, but for this video I'm just gonna end it there. Anyways guys, take it easy. Be sure to subscribe if you guys are new and join us on this great road trip and adventure. I'll see you guys. Take it easy. Peace out.